Hey everybody, Frank and Carrie.
Merry Christmas and welcome back.
Merry Christmas! We're here at the Mooreland House, which is an old abandoned mansion we found on the internet. We're a DIY couple that, well, we do everything ourselves.
Yeah, we do. We've had Miss Mooreland for about 2 years now, and we are making some progress on her.
Oh yeah, it looks a lot better.
Yeah, this week's video, we are doing the front gate that you see behind us.
No teasers, it's here.
It's here.
We already did it back in September.
We did, and we've had it decorated for fall, and I'll insert a picture so you can see it. And as you can see, we have it decorated for Christmas.
We didn't decorate ourselves for Christmas though.
No, we have other things we have going on Christmas, so we didn't even bother.
All right, welcome to the video and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Well, we are opening up a package that is going to make Miss Mooreland pretty.
We got tired of our PVC gates.
We did.
We got a gate that includes the poles. This is not sponsored by Electrical Gates. Home Depot.
We picked it up and brought it here. How big is this gate?
14 feet. These are just the posts, but they got little knobs on them.
That's cool. They have pretty little knobs on top. I think it's going to look really pretty. We're going to stick it out there, not where it's permanently going to go, because we need to be able to pull our trailers in and off the road and still secure her. But pretty, very pretty. Well, we got the top off.
Carrie's interested in what it looks like.
Yeah, I haven't seen what it looks like.
I haven't actually seen what it looks like, but I ordered it because it was available.
Oh wow, that's pretty.
It doesn't have spikies.
No, that's pretty though. Nice choice, Frank.
Well, there wasn't that much to choose from that was available, so.
Oh, I like it.
It is what it is.
It's gonna look really pretty down there.
I hope.
There's another shot of it out of the crate. Frank's digging a hole.
We're gonna put a gate
Yeah.
right here. It's not gonna go from pillar to pillar, it's gonna go from post to pillar.
Post to pillar.
If that makes any sense. It probably doesn't.
So we
Very hard to visualize, but it's easy to figure out what we're gonna do.
Right. And where we wanted the hole, we can't exactly put the hole.
That's where the curb is.
Because right there is the top of the curb. We had some extra cement in there, so we had to get that out of there so we can make the hole 3 feet deep. The top of the curb got buried over the years, so it was about
6 inches down.
Yeah.
On top of the curb. So this must be pretty low right here.
Yeah.
It's just temporary.
Yeah, it is.
Anybody ever heard that before? It's just temporary.
It's just temporary. But
It needs to be 5 feet above the ground for that gate.
I think we've made it. Okay. Very good.
Now we gotta find water for concrete.
Yep. Deep in the hole. Very good. Well, you know what that tub over there means. It's concrete time, but we're not using the mixer. So, but we're only doing 2 bags right now. So that's okay. Leftover bags from doing the dormer. Well, we got 2 bags done. There it is. It's nice and plumb in both directions. Now we just have to let the concrete dry and then we can put up the pretty gate. Our concrete is now cured. It's been able to sit for several days. And we brought the gates down here. And so we are going to try to get them up today.
There's only one.
Oh, well, that's true. It's only one.
But it's in 2 halves.
So, and of course, this is just temporary.
This is temporary. The gate's permanent.
Right.
But this support is temporary. Because we have some pretty, well, I think we already showed them the posts.
Really pretty post with a knob on top, but knowing that we're gonna have to redo these because you can see how tilted that one is over there. They used, just like everywhere else, they used cement mortar up there, and you can see how it's breaking the stone. But we'll get that. That is not a priority. So we're making sure that we get everything marked. We have the hardware, and how pretty this is going to be. We're really excited about getting these up. Our supervisor is on the job this morning, making sure that we are doing everything the right way. Keeping an eye out for traffic, squirrels, birds, you know, anything that might be a distraction. Right, kitten? Right? Frank's getting all the hardware put on this part of the gate, and we're getting the hardware put there on the post.
That side of the gate.
On that side of the gate. I know, it's amazing. It's gonna look so good. Finishing up the hardware on the post. We'll have to backfill it a little bit. That's okay. Here's the other part of the gate, and it just slides. It just slides in and bolts in. I think it's gonna fit good. it was too heavy to try to do this with it all one piece. It's like a 500-pound gate, something like that.
With all the packaging and everything was 508 pounds.
508. So, gotta get all that on and tightened up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Getting all those fastened up. Working with Allen wrenches. Well, there it is all together. We gotta kind of get the height right. But, wow, that's pretty.
4x4 is not strong enough to hold the whole thing.
No. It was worth a try, though.
It was a genius idea.
It was a genius idea. We might just get a caster or something and put on that end. That will help hold it. So it's not hanging. But
Or a strap around that tree.
or strap around the tree. Yep.
I thought a 4x4 would hold this gate, but nope.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't even know. Would a 6x6 would have held it? I mean, is it leaning?
It's just bent.
Oh no. Oh yeah, I can see it. Well, yeah, our little 4x4 is not vertical anymore.
Yes, the gate a little too heavy for a 4x4.
Yeah.
That's how.
Oh, that's how far it pulled it. Wow. Well, I think there's a green strap in the truck.
But then when it swings open, it still is going to do like this.
Oh, that's true. Well,
I think the only way to do it would be to put another 4x4 and make this a solid, you know, a gate area.
yeah. To give that some added support. Okay. We still have to take the old gate that we had up off, but it's not perfect. The gate's permanent, but how we have it set is not. But I still think it turned out very pretty. Gives Miss Mooreland her elegant look. Okay, well, we got the gate up, but as we said before, the 4x4 just is not strong enough, so we did some Frank engineering, and we supported it using the cedar trees, and we supported it so when the gate opens it will have support, and when it's just hanging it has support. but I think it looks awesome hanging there. We still have to figure out how exactly we're going to attach it to stop it, but it swings nice. We took down all the old gate, but I think that it looks really nice. We used the tractor to pull up some of the T-posts, but I just think it looks very pretty and something that Miss Mooreland deserves. Since we can't have the original gates, I think these go right along with her. Well, we figured out the lock. Now we got it greased, and now Frank's back filling the hole that we dug. But again, the post is temporary. The post is temporary, the gate is not. We took out that light that wasn't working there. I think it looks really nice. With our temporary high-tech latch, rebar and a pipe. Hey, what can we say? It is in the old, I guess, bracket of the original gates, but hey, it's okay.
Original or older, we don't know.
We don't know, yeah. Well, there it is. That's what it's going to be for a little while. It's a little windy today, but I think it looks great. Better than what was there before, and it just gives Miss Mooreland a little bit of a facelift. She deserves it. What are you doing, Meanie Meanie? Are you helping me? Are you helping me? You're purring. My sweet girl. Sweet Meanie Meanie.